how to make the shield generator from Star Wars. So first, this is all you'll need. So first you get 2 round pieces that have a hole in the middle. Then stick them together. So then it looks like this. So then get one of these. Then stick it in the hole like this. So then get one of these and the bottom part of the hole. So put the hole in the gear piece. So then it looks like this. Then get one, it's kind of like a bendy piece that goes like this. So then stick it on like this. So then it's like that. Then get 3 of these. So first, stick one on like that. Actually, like this. Then get one other of them and then stick it on like this. Then do the next one and stick it on like this. Then bend it a little, so then it looks like this. Well, bend the bendy piece, so then it looks like this. That is how to make a shield generator from Star Wars.